What does financial independence mean to you? Is it retiring early, having enough savings to cover living expenses, achieving financial security, or perhaps all of these? Welcome to our journey towards understanding and attaining financial independence. This journey is not just about numbers and spreadsheets. It's about freedom and flexibility. It's about creating a life where money is a tool, not a tether. Our journey will take us through the steps of setting clear financial goals, creating a budget, building an emergency fund, paying off high-interest debt, investing for the future, maximizing retirement savings, and increasing your income. Along the way, we'll learn how to monitor and adjust our plan to ensure we stay on track towards our financial independence. Remember, everyone's journey is unique. Your financial independence might look different from someone else's, and that's perfectly okay. The important thing is to start. The journey towards financial independence begins with setting clear, realistic financial goals. So let's embark on this quest together. The first step towards financial independence is to define what it means to you. Is it retiring early to travel the world? Or perhaps it's having enough savings to cover your living expenses without worry. Whatever it is, having clear financial goals is key. Let's break it down into 3 parts: short-term, medium-term, and long-term objectives. Short-term goals could be as simple as saving for a vacation or paying off a credit card. Medium-term might include buying a house or starting a business. Long-term, think retirement and legacy planning. But these goals are not just about money. They are about your life's aspirations. So align these financial objectives with your overall life goals. Maybe you want to retire early to spend more time with your family or to pursue a passion project. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. So let's turn those financial wishes into achievable goals. Once you've set your financial goals, the next step is to create a budget. Now, budgeting isn't about depriving yourself. It's about understanding where your money goes and making conscious decisions about your spending. Start by tracking your income and expenses. This will give you a clear picture of your current financial situation. Then, allocate your income towards essential expenses, savings, investments, and discretionary spending. Essential expenses cover your needs like rent and groceries. Savings are for your future, while investments help grow your wealth. And discretionary spending, well, that's for the things you enjoy. Now look for areas where you can reduce expenses and increase savings. Maybe it's that daily latte you can brew at home, or maybe it's an unused gym membership. Remember, every little bit counts. A budget is not a restriction, but a plan that allows you to spend with purpose. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. An essential part of financial independence is building an emergency fund. This fund serves as a safety net for unexpected expenses that may crop up in life, be it medical emergencies, sudden job loss, or unforeseen home repairs. It's a buffer against the uncertainties of life. To start, aim to save a modest sum each month. Over time, build this to a total that could cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This might seem like a daunting task, but remember, every drop makes an ocean. Consistency is key. Now, where to stash this fund? It's crucial to keep your emergency fund in a liquid and easily accessible account like a high-yield savings account. This ensures that the money is there when you need it most, without any delay. Remember, an emergency fund is not an investment, it's insurance for your life. It's there to provide financial stability and peace of mind, allowing you to tackle life's surprises without derailing your journey towards financial independence. Debt can be a roadblock on your journey to financial independence, yet it's a hurdle that many of us face. High-interest debt, such as credit card debt and personal loans, can be particularly challenging. These types of debt accrue interest rapidly, making it harder to pay down the principal balance. Now, let's talk strategy. 2 popular methods for tackling high-interest debt are the debt avalanche and the debt snowball methods. The debt avalanche method involves paying off debts with the highest interest rates first. This strategy can save you money over time because you're addressing the most costly debts first. On the other hand, the debt snowball method targets the smallest debts first, regardless of interest rates. This method can provide a psychological boost as you experience the satisfaction of completely paying off a debt more quickly. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Choose the strategy that best fits your situation and motivates you to keep going. Paying off debt is not a punishment, but a stepping stone towards financial freedom. Now let's talk about how to grow your wealth over time through investing. Investing is the act of committing money or capital to an endeavor with the expectation of obtaining an additional income or profit. It's essentially planting seeds today for a more prosperous tomorrow. One of the most impactful things you can do for your financial future is to start investing as early as possible. Why? Well, it's all about compound interest, which is often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world. Compound interest is the process where the interest you earn on your investments also earns interest. Over time, this can lead to exponential growth of your initial investment, especially when you start early. However, investing is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It's important to diversify your investment portfolio across different asset classes. This means spreading your investments among stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. Diversification can help reduce risk and increase the potential for returns. Remember, don't put all your eggs in one basket, but with the vast array of investment options available, making the right choices can feel overwhelming. This is where a financial advisor can be invaluable. A financial advisor can guide you in developing an investment strategy tailored to your financial goals and risk tolerance. They can help you understand complex financial products, navigate market volatility, and make informed investment decisions. Yet, it's crucial to remember that investing involves risks, including the potential loss of principal. So it's important to do your research, understand the risks associated with different investments, and make decisions that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Furthermore, it's essential to be patient and disciplined when investing. The stock market will have its ups and downs, and it's important not to panic or make impulsive decisions during market fluctuations. Instead, focus on your long-term investment strategy and stay the course. Investing is not about getting rich quick, but about growing your wealth steadily over time. It's about making your money work for you so you can achieve financial independence and secure a prosperous future. So, take the leap and start investing for your future today. Another key step towards financial independence is maximizing your retirement savings. To build a secure financial future, it's crucial to make the most of the retirement savings options available to you. Let's start with employer-sponsored plans like 401ks and individual retirement accounts, or IRAs. These plans are great tools for saving because they often include tax advantages and sometimes employer matching. That's free money towards your retirement. But don't stop there. Consider exploring other retirement savings options like Roth IRAs and even annuities. These can supplement your employer-sponsored plans, giving you a broader safety net for your golden years. Remember, when it comes to retirement savings, time is your biggest ally. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow through the magic of compound interest. Remember, the best time to start saving for retirement was yesterday. The next best time is now. While saving and investing are crucial, increasing your income is equally important. Let's talk about how you can do this. Firstly, consider seeking career advancement. This could mean taking on more responsibilities at work, negotiating a raise, or even switching jobs if there's a higher paying opportunity elsewhere. Next, think about side hustles. In today's digital age, there are countless ways to make money outside your regular 9-to-5. You could start a blog, offer freelance services, or sell handmade goods online. Passive income streams are also a valuable tool. This could be anything from rental income to earnings from a blog or YouTube channel. Lastly, never underestimate the power of education and skill development. By continuously learning and improving, you're enhancing your value in the market. This could be through professional certifications, online courses, or even a higher degree. Remember, your income is your most powerful wealth-building tool. So take steps to increase it and watch as your journey towards financial independence accelerates. The final step towards financial independence is to regularly review and adjust your financial plan. This ongoing process is vital to keeping your financial journey on track. It's about revisiting your goals, evaluating your budget, and scrutinizing your investment strategy. Are your goals still relevant? Is your budget reflecting your current lifestyle and needs? Is your investment strategy still aligned with your risk tolerance and time horizon? Life has a knack for throwing curveballs, and your financial plan should have the ability to dodge and adapt. It might be a change in your personal life, a shift in the financial markets, or a fluctuation in economic conditions. Your plan needs to be flexible enough to cater to these changes. Remember, financial independence is not a destination, but a journey. Stay committed to your plan, and you'll gradually build a secure financial future. It's about consistent actions and adjustments that lead to significant progress over time.